Principal Spencer, nakita ko na po yung tirnilyong hinahanap natin.
Magaling. Para makauwi na tayo agad. Sige. Liga na, alis na tayo.
Hi, sir. Would you like to buy any of our products?
Nabili na namin ang dapat namin bilhin, kaya uuwi na kami.
Oh, just the screw?
Yes! Just a screw! Tsaka bakit ba ang kulit... Yun, oh? Wait! You look so familiar. Your arms are so familiar. Your legs are so familiar. And your shirt is so familiar.
Yes, we actually met at the bowling alley. You
Yeah.
taught me how to play bowling, Pectos.
Now, when you release the ball, at the very last moment, you twist your arm so that you will have
Pectos.
pectus. Very
Okay.
good, okay? Regine! Ariel, it's Regine. Regine, oh, you work here?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, sir, hindi kayo makakalimutan, Regine Pectus. Lagi kayo napapanaginipan eh.
Are you guys just gonna buy that screw? We have other products. We're in promo.
Oh, yes. Actually, I'm thinking of buying something else from this very, very big grocery. Are you for sale?
Sorry?
I mean, what else is for sale?
Yeah, we actually have this product. It's a stove. If you buy one, you get free popcorn.
Popcorn! I love popcorn! We're getting it. Ariel, you carry this while me and Regine will go for something else to buy.
there's
What
more
else is for
there.
sale? Okay, go.
Regine.
Oh, wow, thank you. You bought so many items. I thought you were just gonna buy one screw.
Oh, you know me. I'm very, very rich. Actually, I can buy everything here in your grocery/department store.
Sir, 25,750 po lahat.
25,750? Paano nangyari yun?
Sir, yan na nga ba sinasabi ko eh. Panay kasing pasikat nyo dyan kay Regine eh.
Ay, hindi pwede. Pwede bang isoli mo yung iba, tapos iwan mo lang yung tornilyo? Tornilyo na kasi bibiling ko eh.
Sorry, sir. Napunch na po kasi lahat eh.
Napunch? Hindi pwede. Tornilyo lang bibili ko. Isoli mo lahat yan. Asan ang manager dito? Tawagin niyo yung manager. Manager! Asan yung manager dito?
Sir, yes.
Manager dito.
may-
Ikaw ba yung manager?
Oh, sir, good afternoon. May problema po ba?
Mayroong problema. Niloko ako ng napakagandang babaeng yan para kunin ko ang lahat ng mga items doon sa section niya. Kaya umabot ng 25,000 yung babayaran ko.
Babe, totoo ba sinasabi nito?
Babe?
No, babe. He's the one who keeps buying stuff for my section, and he also tries to touch me and embrace me. Chancing siya.
Ganun? Wait. Let me
So,
explain.
babayaran mo ba itong mga kinuha mo? O magbabayad ka? Ha?
Sir? Ang laki, sir. Ang laki. Sir, bayaran niyo na. Magbabayad na po ako.
Sige na, babe.
Ito na. Magbabayad na po ako. Sir. Okay na, binayaran. Ayan na, oh.